Yo, YouTube. Damn, this shit sound weird. Anytime I'm about to vlog, they gonna sound weird.
Gotta love this nigga.
Hey, my mama said, fuck it, nigga, hit the streets and live. Got some crack in the corner and I did what I did.
Anyway.
The neighbors, they don't like me. I got J's at the store. Told my grandma I don't need a bed. I'm sleeping on the floor.
I just got off work and went to this place called Flying Biscuit. Hold on, let me put y'all on game. But anyway, what's up, YouTube? We back with another video, man. By the time this video drop, we should be at like what? 50 subs? Shoot, I hope so. Shoot, that's a compliment for me. I had 0 subscribers in the beginning of January. And now I got freaking 48. It might not seem like a lot, but 48 is a lot. Imagine 48 people in your bedroom. Imagine 48 people in your house, or I don't know. We're going on YouTube, back in with another video. And you know, we currently looking. Y'all don't know, tomorrow's Father's Day. And might be getting some for Father's Day. I don't know. What door he went in? He went in. He went this way. Yeah.
Come on this way to the showroom.
Thank you.
Oh, it's not, bro. They got a whole Cybertruck.
Yeah, just got it like a month ago.
Oh, it's not. It's not sick. We got a GT. I ain't gonna lie, but look at this Cybertruck shot. I want a McLaren. You can't open it, can you? No, man.
It's loud. The door locked, right? No. It's open.
No. Oh, no.
It's nice. Who do tell for y'all? Who do y'all need?
Oh, no.
Yeah, but
What?
wash them. Just do like a quick wash on them. Maybe need a lot of movement. You know, so it's impossible.
I mean, yeah, they got a G-Wagon. They got it.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, snow.
I do have a Lamborghini Urus as well.
You do?
Yeah, it's at the body shop down the street, but I can go get it. It's a blue Lamborghini Urus.
Rose. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. What the? Whoo. Hold on, boy. Hold on. Dude, I'm really in a Rolls Royce right now. Like, I'm really in a double R. You already got your haircut?
I ain't gonna get now.
Oh, you ain't gonna get one.
No, I don't want one. Probably get a line up, man. Yeah, they probably hit that car me.
Like, slide it down.
Okay.
That's how you turn up and down the music.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah. So, in order for you to go drive, put your foot on the brake, and then you slide that up. You see the little car there yes. Slide that up. You're now in drive. Press the gas a little for me. All right, you're now in drive. All right, brake. Okay, slide that all the way back down. Now you're in reverse.
Wow.
Oh.
It's sick.
Okay, now you're in reverse. All right, press the gas, press the brake, and now tap that P there,
Park.
and now you're in park.
Oh,
Wow, that's
simple.
That's simple.
And that'll show you all the superchargers. The ones in red, press rope there, press rope.
funny lock.
We can let the door down.
But the satisfaction of me closing this McLaren, dude. Like the satisfaction of me closing this McLaren.
You speak Spanish too?
Nah.
Yeah, Pop's got to show you a little something, man. Spanish is the biggest language in the world.
Yeah, it is. I need to learn.
And them Spanish mommies.
He said them Spanish mommy. So that's why I really don't be. They be playing around too much. That's all it is. They be playing around. Alright, good. But I'm McLaren. But I'm gonna get one of these one day. If I can see it, touch it, I can have it.
No problem. Appreciate you guys. You guys caught me just in time, man. I'm out of here myself.
He said I'm out here myself.
So which way we go back? Huh?
Whenever
Uh-huh.
you get on the straight street,
Yeah.
just go ahead and floor it all the way for me.
Why you want me to do that?
You'll see.
No, I don't want to do that.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Yeah, I don't want it. No, I don't want to do that.
Like, I can literally sit all the way from
a dinner up there.
Man, what? Let me grab my camera for something happening to it. That's crazy. Tree different.
That thing, huh? They get more views than this car than a female.
So the car get more views than a female.
Yeah.
Like, she said we gotta get close. What the freak, dude? She said he's actually sick. She said he's actually sick.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
They got it. It's Calvin. They got it.
Thank y'all so much.
Hey, y'all got an Instagram?
Yeah.
I got it, yeah. I don't know if you want to be on camera. Yeah, here you go. You up. Bro, what the freak? What the... Bye.
Shit, I'm cutting her off, I ain't fair. I drunk a dude straight in my nigga face, I ain't sure. I'm too high to get on top, it sit on me like I'm a chair. If I get snatched, I'ma keep my mouth closed, I ain't beer. It must be a nigga job to hate on me, like they gotta do it. You off the lean, my bitch made me break it, and we got into it. If I got a gun on me, then I'm trying to shoot it. 20 racks and dubs, I'ma hear a thud if I lose.
Stay focused, I keep drinking this lean. Killers behind me as I'm chasing my dreams, oh Lord. Trying to heal up a nigga, feel like Tyree. But it's been too long, realize they permanent scars. Raindrop.
Boy, I can play a racing game in it, boy. Oh, snap. Alright, I gotta focus on. Ooh. I gotta. Oh. Y'all, we back. I didn't really get to record, but I was driving the Cybertruck, as y'all can see. Y'all thought I went McLaren on y'all boys. I didn't go McLaren. Dang, I didn't really get to record how I wanted to for real. But this junk is like dumb, stupid fast. Like look at this, shawty. I'm about to show y'all this dude. I met him today, matter of fact. I met this nigga, he looked pretty cool. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I met him. I was at work and he was talking to me. How is your experience? Step in the camera for me, sir. Oh yeah, if y'all don't know, this the father. This the Happy Father's Day, matter of fact.
Thank you.
But I say, what you got it? Why you saying thank you to the camera? You supposed to be saying thank you to me.
To you, not the camera.
Oh, you said thank you. How you feel about the Cybertruck, man?
It's pretty cool. I mean, it's a different experience. It's weird, but it's a good weird.
Would you ever go electric after this?
Yeah, I will go electric after this. Yeah, definitely.
He lying, he ain't going electric. That nigga about to stand that down gas. I changed my mind, I'm not keeping my camera up. With the free.
What's going on?
Nothing much, nothing much.
Vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now. Calvin.
Corey.
Nice to meet you, Corey. Nice to meet you. Yeah, we was just driving through, was trying to get it charged, and I seen there was a car meet, and I'm all about cars. I love cars with a passion.
I'm gonna poke around and see what else we got here. That's just.
Oh snap. Where the jump sit so low? Oh snap. Go Hellcat. That got everything up in that shawty.
That's good enough.
Black
You
people.
see that Predator
What Predator?
Mustang down there?
No, I ain't see it.
Oh, you good? Alvin, this one better. He is wider. No, this one wider. This wider. Yeah. Can we take a picture?
We got so much stuff out here.
Actually, my daughter wants some real parents.
Oh, really?
Back and forth with it.
They pretty.
Oh snap. They got a good body, yes sir.
Just going down the road, you get some air. There's no air in it.
I'm always doing this little car vlogging jump. It's like, bro, I'm so used to doing car vlogging jump. Like, it jump tight. Look at this. It jump so. Yeah. This thing sent low, dude. Like this jump went to. They went sit low. I'm gonna lie, I would try something like this. I would definitely try something like this. Every day? Heck no. Heck no.
Hold the power.
These are cool.
An Impala
For being.
type of deer. See the logo? Deer.
But they got a whole GTR in them motherfucker, boy. These folks got GTRs and everything, boy. Scat packs. We're gonna get one of these one day. Just wait. It was them all right here. Boy. This junk is cool, dude. You feel me? You feel me? For sale. But they selling that bit. $19.99. You can rent this mother. I'm burning up in my attire. So you know I gotta take it off. Oh, that's a Lotus. But ain't no waste, man. See that? These folk got bazookas and stuff in their cars. Ain't no way. Oh, all these people. You know you pulled up to a car meet. I'm like, I didn't know I pulled up to a car meet with a freak. With a freak. I'm talking about all these folks looking. Everybody. I take it. He said, yes, sir.
You do know you pulled up to a car show to charge, right?
Yes, sir. I didn't even know there was a car show going on.
Wants to see that
Everybody want to see the Cybertruck. Bummer clot.
All right,
Go get me something to drink. You talking about walk, man.
So much. You want to walk down there?
Can't leave my mama in the car by herself.
My daughter wants to know a little about it. She's obsessed with Tesla.
You don't know nothing about no I said my mom in the back. I don't know if she want to be seen or anything. I got on. Look at this shit, bro. And it's crazy because literally I said, bro, I said before the video dropped, this jump we should already be at 50. Doing pretty decent, man. We doing decent. And, you know, shout out to every single last one of y'all. But I guess this is the outro, you feel me? We didn't really do too much. The only thing we did was really just go out to eat. We ate at the Cheesecake Factory, you feel me? We just ate. That's all we did. We just ate. And that was it. That's really all we did. We just ate. You feel me? We just went back to the crib, laid down, got some good sleep. I'm talking about I was sleeping good. And I'm gonna throw the clip up. How good of a sleep I was sleeping. End of the video.
Thinking back to a couple years ago, my eyes get teary. I do this for my fallen souls. I know my God can hear me. Still fighting demons when I was dealing. You asked me shit on healing. Fucking out the ball on me. You need some nigga call on me. And I'm the boss when shit go down. It always fall on me. But I don't know what bitch stay on my shit, cause it just all I see. One day shit we all gon' see. I just wanna help these niggas ball, you can call Kitty E. I'm happy I jumped out the street, got tired of seeing my grandma weep. She smiling, it's a great feeling. Gave my dad 100,000 just to keep some paper with him. Gave my dad 100,000 just to keep some paper with him. Yeah, I say I get